Welcome to Bhartiya Vidya Bhavan's Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Koradi, Nanda, Khaparkheda, Nagpur, with affiliation number 1130802. As we enter, the school has two building blocks. We move towards the Bal Mandir building, which has a centrally located beautiful lawn, well-decorated walls for visual learning of young learners. There is a conference room for important meetings, for brainstorming. There is an indoor game zone for the student for actively engaging them. There are spacious corridors and a lift with backup for a G+1 building. There is a ramp available to move towards the play zone area with sand covered. There is a sensorial zone to trigger the tactile skills of children. The classrooms and corridors are spacious and well decorated. Let us enter a classroom. The classroom serves as a visual ally for learning, along with the colorful infrastructure and interactive boards. The entire building serves as a teaching aid. As we move on to the first floor, we have classes KG1 and KG2. There is a beautiful fish pond. There are two activity rooms. These activity rooms comprises all the activity materials required to develop the cognitive skills, gross motor skills, fine motor skills, and sensorial skills of the learners. we move out of the Bal Mandir building, which has a ramp and railings. Now we move towards the Vidya Mandir building. We are welcomed with beautiful landscaping. As we enter, we seek the blessings of Almighty Goddess Saraswati and the Sarva Dharma inscribed on the wall as per Bhavan's faith. There are 2 lifts in the premises. We have the vision and mission statement of school displayed for our stakeholders. We have male and female security guards who log in the time of visitors. We can witness the spacious covered assembly area fully equipped with PA system for the smooth functioning of everyday assembly. We move towards the administrative block. We are welcomed by a reception lobby outside the principal's cabin. We move into the principal's cabin, which is bedecked by trophies pocketed by young achievers in the last 4 years. There is a monitor installed which gets the bird's eye view of the 104 CCTVs installed. We have the reception desk with a suggestion box. We have 2 biometrics installed in the office. In the administrative block, all important files and documents like class attendance registers, logbooks of teachers, co-curricular activities file are put on display. We move towards the office assistant accounts department, who maintain all accounts related documents like audit statement file, bank reconciliation file for Bal Mandir, bank vouchers, Cash vouchers file. Vidya Mandir bank reconciliation file. Cash book file. Staff salary sheets. We come to the office assistant admin department. We have the sibling performer, the admission performer, the TC performer, admission forms with all relevant documents, admission register bearing the dates of admission and date of TC issued, a file containing copy of TC issued against applications received. We come to the office assistant admin department, which takes care of all staff related matters. There is a file maintained of appointment orders of staff, and confirmation orders of staff. We have the staff service books with the details of their educational qualification and their pay scale details. Staff personal files bearing all certificates and office orders. We have the staff attendance register along with the holiday list, which is well maintained along with the biometrics. We have the school transport bus supervisor desk. The school has 15 buses for students' commutation. We can see new enrolled bus students pro forma, along with the parents' application, the daily bus attendance sheet, the bus documents. In continuation with the school office, there is an office storeroom for stationery storage, and a strong room. We now move ahead to the exam department, which is on the ground floor. The examination department is equipped with computers, cabinets, and cupboards, pigeonholes for collecting answer sheets during examination, a cyclostyling room where multiple copies of important exam-related documents are made. There is an exam storeroom which includes all stationery material and exam-related documents. There are various documents maintained like curriculum files, notice registers, question papers, and cumulative records are maintained in the exam room. Moving to the classrooms. The classrooms are 27 multiplied by 24.22 square feet. They are well ventilated, having comfortable wooden furniture with a double seating arrangement for the primary classes, and single desk and chair seating arrangement for the secondary classes. We come to the maths lab where students perform various concept-related activities from Standard 4 to Standard 10. The stock register with maths lab equipments is well maintained. Welcome to the counselor's room. The school has well-qualified full-time counselor and special educator. The counselor conducts various individual and group sessions for emotional and mental well-being of staff and students. There are individual files maintained to observe progress of students with special needs. We now move to the sports room. We have 5 PETs with various games of specialization. The sports room is located on the ground floor. There are well-furnished staff rooms available on each floor. There are beautiful display boards reflecting various students' activities and inter-house competitions. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is an educational trust that envisages as a belief, a faith, which was founded by Dr. K. M. Munshi with the support of Mahatma Gandhi, a full decade before the advent of independence on 7th of November 1938. Dr. Munshi ji was an Indian independence movement activist, politician, writer, and educationist. He was one of the key members in the drafting committee of the Constitution along with Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Trust functions through its 119 kendras all over India and 7 kendras abroad. His Excellency, Governor of Tamil Nadu, Shri Banwari Lalji Purohit, is the Honorable Chairman of Nagpur Kendra. Bhavan's Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Koradi branch was established in July 2016 and was the 5th school under Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Nagpur Kendra. It is a co-ed school affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education. The school has a continuous compound wall covering the entire 10-acre plot area, having an average height of 4.5 meters along with concertina wires. The school also has STP plant within the premises at the farther end of the playground. The total built-up area is 14031.2 square meters and the open ground area is 16723.715 square meters. There are two generator sets of 62.3 and 125 kV capacity for power backup. We have a covered parking area meant for the staff members as teachers traveling along with students in the bus. The school has a playground of area 16723.715 square meters where all sports related and other school functions are held. We have the outdoor sporting area, the skating rink, basketball court, the badminton court, which is inside the school premises on the lawn, the throwball court, we have the discus throw and the shot put sector, the volleyball court. All the courts are well demarcated. We find here the kabaddi court, the kho-kho ground, which is well demarcated. The handball ground, the woodball pitch, which is inside the school premises on the lawn. Let's move ahead to the chemistry lab. The chemistry lab lies on the third floor of the building. The chemistry lab, which is well furnished with the area of 68.24 into 24.22 square feet. We find informative charts on display. There is ample storage space available. Students' working table is big enough to accommodate 40 students at a time. On each table, we find 3 reagent shelves to accommodate 6 students. The rack consists of chemicals, reagents like diluted sulfuric acid, diluted hydrochloric acid, distilled water, test tubes and test tube stands, ethanol. We have working taps with proper water supply, Kipps apparatus, analytical balance, glass funnels, glass trout, measuring cylinders, beakers, mortar and pestle, spatulas, measuring cylinders. We have beakers, glass jars with lids. We see working gas burners. The laboratory has ample space for easy movement, storage area to keep the extra materials available, special storage area for distilled water bottles, a separate preparation room of chemistry lab with a separate entry from outside is available from the corridor, along with ample storage space. There is a preparation table. Wire meshed cabinets for storage of gas cylinders for safety. The stock registers of consumable and non-consumable items are well maintained. We move ahead to the physics laboratory, which is on the third floor adjacent to the chemistry laboratory. The area of the physics lab is 53.48 into 24.22 square feet. There are informative charts on display. It is spacious with well-housed and adequate infrastructure to accommodate for practical batches of 24 students at a time, having proper storage units. There are apparatus for Ohm's law, the drawing board with the prism and glass slab, anemometer to determine wind speed. There are 4 apparatus for Ohm's law comprising of voltmeter, ammeter, restart and battery eliminator. There are 4 Gravesland apparatus. Spring weighing machine along with weights. The resonance tube apparatus along with tuning fork set with a chart is on display. We have the traveling microscope, Ohm's law apparatus, taps with proper water supply, the Gravesland apparatus, there is one room available for storage and documentation of all records along with seating arrangement for lab assistant. We have the provision of a dark room. Storage space. There is a stock for calorimeter and stock of spherometer. The stock registers are maintained in each lab. The registers are well maintained and updated. The school has a well-developed procedure for procurement of materials by calling for quotations, then preparing comparative statement, and finally the order is placed based on the best quoted price and standard quality. We now move towards the spacious biology lab. The biology lab is having an area of 53.48 into 24.22 square feet. It is well furnished with adequate storage space and it is well ventilated. It has an interactive board to facilitate teaching. We find here compound microscopes with slides. Various informative charts are on display. Along with the informative charts, the do's and don'ts of biology lab and the science lab rules chart is on display. We have water taps and gas burners available. It has adequate material as per the senior secondary curriculum for various practical experiments. We find here test tubes with test tube stands, holders, stain rack with stain bottles, forceps and droppers, slides and petri dishes. We have the specimens on display. The biology lab comprises a separate storage room along with a preparation room and special seating place for the lab assistant. We have well-housed chemicals in the cabinets. Clamp stand, proper water supply, we move to the computer lab. We have a well-equipped computer lab on the second floor with ample computers catering to the ratio of 1:1. There is a knowledge center, the knowledge center is for teachers to prepare lesson plans for interactive classroom teaching and digital content. Informative charts are on display with techno facts to increase the students' general knowledge. The computer lab has an area of 35.02 into 32.21 square feet. The computer lab has a seating arrangement of one complete class of 40 students at a time. Computer hardwares are also on display for students' reference. Network rack for complete networking system for the school with high-speed internet. The stock register with computer lab equipments is well maintained. The school library, just opposite to the computer lab on the second floor, is 65.19 into 35.02 square feet. It has 5 computers for students to browse for quizzes, projects, and activities. The library has a seating capacity of 48 students at a time, along with a separate teacher's table. We have a dedicated librarian who takes care of assigning accession numbers on every book and the overall working of the library. There is a reader zone dedicated for ardent readers with 12 seating capacity. The library is classified as per DDC pattern. There are separate sections subject-wise catering to primary and secondary classes. There are books exclusively for senior secondary classes like NEET, JEE, accountancy, business studies, economics, computer science, all are available. There are 1,531 reference books, out of which 1,200 books are exclusively for senior secondary classes. The manual data is maintained in accession registers. Books issued to students are maintained in Students Issue Register. And for teachers, it is maintained in the Teachers Issue Register. The complete data is also maintained in the ANTAB software. We also have the Readers Club, where various activities are conducted all round the year. We have special washrooms for the paraplegic on each floor. The washroom has a wash basin attached. Separate hand washing area are available on each side of each floor. There are separate cubicles for girls and boys' washroom with proper water fixtures. We have separate washrooms for girls . We have separate washrooms for boys along with wash basins . Urinals and cubicles. There is a storeroom in each washroom which comprises all house cleaning material. Separate hand washing area. With drinking taps, there are 2 RO plants in the school. Each floor has safe, hygienic drinking water filters along with aqua guards on both the sides. The fire hydrant points is fixed in the entire premises. We have 40 ACB type fire extinguisher units and 8 CO2 type fire extinguishers. The complete staff is trained to handle any untoward situation. The annual maintenance of the fire extinguishers is given to Sai Projects Private Limited. We can see the dispersal chart, the fire alarm panel on the ground floor. There is a provision for senior secondary classes. The classrooms are of an area of 27 into 24.22 square feet. The spacious, well-ventilated classrooms having concealed electrical wirings, the fixtures are covered in a glass panel, marble shelves. To protect the students' eyes from the glare caused outside, the classrooms are equipped with sun guards, reflectors, so that the board does not shine. Few of the classrooms are also equipped with shutters along with windows to minimize glaring. All the classrooms are furnished with modern amenities like green board, smart board, display boards, teachers' wall cupboards, and marble shelves for students. The students have ample walking space available for smooth movement. There are 11 extra rooms available on the 3rd floor. The school has a total number of 75 classrooms, which includes classrooms as well as activity rooms. The current building is G+3, for which FSI consumed is 37.03%, that is 14221.38 square meters, whereas 62.97% is the balance FSI, that is 24177.98 square meters, for which the construction will be taken up when the requirement arises. We come to the indoor sports room on the ground floor. The indoor sports room has a provision for table tennis, carom, chess, ludo, snakes and ladders. The students' creativity is showcased in the Art and Craft Room. We come to the Tabla Room. The Music Room. The Dance Room. Which has wooden flooring and huge mirrors. We come to the multi-purpose hall, comprising of a projector. Here, workshops, club activities for students and teachers are conducted together with all important staff-related meetings. We have the sick bay, comprising of 2 beds, cupboards, and a well-qualified full-time nurse who looks after giving first aid to students and staff. Annual health checkup cards of students and staff is being maintained. Here we find the copy of DEO certificate, Appendix 3, obtained from the Education Department. We have the affidavit, Appendix 4, as per CBSE affiliation by rules. We have the Fire Safety Certificate. Thank you.